Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting for the day on our gold. If you are yet to subscribe and you've not done that, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel so you would not miss any updates. Now, this is our movement on gold. We are now back on an uptrend move. Previously, we were on a downtrend move. If you have been following this channel consistently, you would have seen how we've been predicting this movement that has been dropping. Right now, it is now on a bullish move, thereby pushing up. So that is it. We will continue the movement. One more movement is what you should be expecting on gold. But when you take a look at it on your 15-minute time frame, it is kind of choppy within here. But whatever it does, you'll be expecting one more movement. Once it does that, expect more updates from me on gold, and also follow the Telegram. I'll put the link in the comment section.